This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about coffee scoops, specifically these Restpresso coffee measuring scoops. It is a 1 tablespoon stainless steel scoop that also features a great clip. And we have it here in the silver, the copper plated, and the black stainless. So you have 3 really stylish options there. They all feature a one-of-a-kind bag clip on them that helps to keep these convenient scoops on hand while keeping your bag closed and your ingredients fresh. So these are great to use for things like coffee, sugars, and other ingredients. They feature that lovely long handle to help you reach the bottom of bags, and the scoop itself is a 1 tablespoon capacity. So that's really going to help with accurate measuring and also portion control. The various finishes are fantastic. It allows you to really pick one to go with your aesthetic or decor. And they're dishwasher safe for speedy cleanup. These are going to allow you to measure and scoop things like coffee grounds, sugar, drink mixes, cocoa, tea, even things like protein powders or supplements if you're making some nice supplemented shakes or smoothies. So these are great for not only smoothie bars and coffee shops and cafes, but just any establishment that's doing coffee service or to use at home.